As far as Doge support floor, it fundamentally is presently $0.56. Dogecoin cost examination for the most part is negative today in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin explicitly has a medium-term opposition at $0.64 in a genuinely large manner. Doge fall 20.76% in 7 days, which sort of is genuinely huge. 5 April 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and really attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense. Sort clarification on some things facts, what for the most part is exceptionally transient cost. Expectation for Dogecoin. Truly is Doge a very wise interest in every way that really matters, enormous way. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Doge specialized investigation, essentially let us generally discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a ruin of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $2 492, 603, 616, 514 in every practical sense, huge way. The exceptionally complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $105, 179, 779, 26 in an especially significant way. Bitcoin shares 52.82% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%. So Dogecoin in a real sense has a medium-term opposition at $0.64, which in a real sense is very huge, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $0.60 895 WoW level after a decay of 0.59%, which in a real sense shows that 5 April 2024. In this video, we will walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and really attempt to answer these regularly explicitly got clarification on pressing issues fakes. What sort of is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin? Generally is Doge a buy and large wise venture, which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a value reduction of 3.28% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time period, which especially is genuinely critical. Sol, the truly local coin of Solana for the most part, is somewhere near $857 and right now exchanging at $172.88 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market generally is going in an extremely descending bearing for most certainly momentary in an unpretentious manner. Right now, an exceptionally broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of significant way. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized. Markers used to basically distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how Sol, the for the most part local coin of Solana essentially is somewhere near $857 and at present exchanging at $172.88 in a genuinely enormous manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchases in a real sense become significantly more really dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they especially thought. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which dealers sort of become move kind of dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving in every way that really matters, higher in a kind of huge way. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin Doge truly is at $0.17, down 769% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense has a value change of 20.76% throughout the week in a truly significant manner. 1 day. Exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 172.35 735 as US, while sort of all-out market cap came to $24 693 798 373 as USD, exhibiting how 1 day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 172.35 735 as US, while all things considered. Complete market cap came to $24 693 798 373 as US. There generally are practically 143, 761, 226, 384 in every practical sense, are available for use out of 143,761,226,384, exhibiting what fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $60,895 world level after a decay of 59%, which basically shows that 05 April 2024. In this video, we will essentially walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually certainly clarified some pressing issues facts, what especially is extremely momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. In every way that really matters, is Doge an especially wise speculation? Also, they basically thought. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 05 April 2024 inside an everyday time period in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, showing how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66,895 level after a decay of 59%, which really shows that 05 April 2024. In this video, we will for the most part walk you through Dogecoin cost investigation for now or for pretty 1 week from now and by and large attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense sort clarification on pressing issues facts. What sort of is extremely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, in every practical sense, is Doge a wise speculation, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize sort of relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving exceptionally normal SMA and outstanding moving truly normal AMA to basically investigate the future development of the Dogecoin, so Dogecoin support, and obstruction levels and so forth, which basically is genuinely critical. While Doge's Williams % pointer really is at 58,383 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition, exchange kind of sign in a real sense is especially conceivable at this reach, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid. So these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market really is going in an especially descending course for pretty present moment, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the kind of everyday graph, showing how the especially complete exchanging volume truly remains at 105, 179, 779, 26 in an unpretentious manner. The truly relative strength file RSI shows that the Dogecoin in every practical sense is in oversold stage, as RSI generally is at 24, exhibiting that Dogecoin cost examination generally is negative today, which in a real sense is very critical. Ends at this point. Dogecoin explicitly is struggling and by and large is exchanging ruddy zone, exhibiting how the MACD line in every practical sense is remaining underneath of the all things considered signal line after a hybrid.